We're up early. So 20 past 6 in the morning. Go and move my car so that people can paint down double yellow lines or whatever and charge me fortune parking. So we're not messing around this morning. I've had my shower. I'm going straight for a dog walk. What's the weather like? Beautiful this morning. Standard hill walk. We're doing a morning grounding. Weather doesn't look like it's going to be too nice today. It looks very cloudy. I feel knackered. Every part of my body's aching at the moment. So I skipped the gym yesterday and the whole top half of my body's aching. Obviously after doing an 8-mile hill walk, the whole bottom half of my body's aching. So I'm in a quandary what to do. Today would have been a leg workout. That's gonna get postponed until Wednesday, I reckon. But my nutrition hasn't been very optimal really for the past few days. I haven't been getting in as many calories as I should be, other than Saturday. Sunday was a clean eating day, but like I said, not enough calories. Hopefully enough protein, but yeah, so I'm wondering what to do. We'll see what I feel like when I go, but I might do a home workout this morning and go to the gym later on this evening. Some sort of body weight exercises. Yeah, I might give that a go. Making a conscious effort to hit all my meals today. So today's meal, first meal of the day, we shall be having 100 grams of blueberries, 500 grams of Greek style yogurt, zero fat, because I get so much fat from all my other things, my minced beef and chicken, and there's a lot of fat in the eggs, but it's all healthy fat, it's all good stuff. So I'm going to bang 100 grams in here. So you just get your bowl, put it on the scale, see that's how much the bowl that weighs, and you just zero it. And you just get your blueberries, take up to 100 grams. So all these, I pre-washed all these yesterday. My washing solution to get all the nasties off. So much stuff in it, you don't even realise. So I'm going to sneak a little strawberry as well. So that was meal one. And it's cheap as well. 1 kilogram of that yogurt is £1.50, so I eat that every day. I eat 500 grams at a time. Blueberries are a couple of quid for 600 grams or something. So cheap first meal. I have 4 or 5 hours sleep. Gotta do some cooking before I go to the gym, because I haven't eaten yet since that first meal. So I'm gonna have my eggs, onion, and can't remember. Eggs, onion, and cheese is the first meal, I guess. 4 eggs, 1 onion. I'm going to cook chicken to get chicken all cooked up for a few days. Chicken's off, lame, so I've got to pick up some chicken. So I'm going to substitute that with 2 portions of beef instead of on 1 portion of beef and chicken. Lame. Some sweet potatoes in the oven. Moving on to that from rice. Don't really want the grains anymore. Want the carbs. I'll be eating sweet potato from now on. Meal 2. 4 eggs. Got turmeric, cayenne pepper, smoked paprika, and garlic granules in with some butter. On a bed of raw onion with some cheese. About 50 grams of cheese. Followed up by some strawberries. And the lion's main drink. Shut up. So we've been gym. About 45 minutes. Did a lot of upper body because my legs are still aching from yesterday. After that 8-mile walk. Just gotta cook my 2 meals for work. And I'm going to have a meal before I go. It's now 9:30. So I've got an hour. 9:30, 10. Hour and 15 minutes to cook and eat. I'm going to be having 2 portions of ground beef, 10% fat. About 225 grams of sweet potato that I've already cooked in each one of them. I'm going to cook my beef in coconut oil. I cook everything in coconut oil. Give it some garlic powder for flavour and a healthy portion of Celtic sea salt. I'm really struggling to eat my food lately. I don't know what's the problem with this. Maybe I'm getting bored of what I'm eating, I don't know. Well, I've been eating very much the same stuff. I need to keep eating the same thing. So I just put a big healthy dose of coconut oil in there and make sure I get that everywhere. Best stuff to cook in coconut oil. Don't use olive oil. Olive oil is not meant for cooking. It's meant for dressings. As any other oil, seed oils and that, all very bad for you, especially when you cook it. So don't bother. Coconut oil really is the only oil that you do need. So I use coconut oil for loads of stuff. Like I said, I have a video to come of that. And I'll just eat it straight off a spoon. It's nice. Quite mad really, because my only ever experience of coconut was Bounty chocolate, and that was like the worst chocolate in the pack of celebrations or whatever it was. I can't remember. But yeah, turns out I really like it now and use it for lots of things. So we're going to get on with this. And it's work time. 8 hours of night shift. And I'll be starting again tomorrow when I finish work of the next vlog. See what I get up to. But I'll show you my meals for work once I've finished cooking. So I'm cheating a bit for this meal before I go to work, because I've been just struggling to eat, if I'm being really honest. So I don't have any protein shakes. I don't drink protein shakes or anything like that. But I've kind of cheated a little bit. I've got one of these protein chocolate flavoured puddings, which pretty much matches my my caloric intake and everything that I need. The main point is the protein, and it's small. It's like 20 grams of protein in that little pot, but it's got a lot of crap in, which I'm not very happy about. However, needs must, and it's not going to kill me one little bit of crap. If I ate it every day, it'd be a different story. And I've got one of these bangers. Old school people will remember these. These are like the original protein shakes, almost. Like it's a tin. It comes in a tin, but you crack it open and you drink it like you would out of a can. Really weird. But I mean, per 100 grams per can, this has got 20 grams of protein. So, and it's pretty low calorie as well, actually, to be fair. Oh no, 396 calories, which ain't that bad. It's not that bad. What's that? That's per 100 grams. How much is in there? 200 grams. That's only 140 calories. So really low calorie, really high protein. I'm winning with it. However, it's not got the best ingredients. But hopefully by tomorrow, I'll be back in the swing of things. Just finishing off my meals. I'll show you them in a minute. So there are my last two meals of today, which is Monday, and they are 200 grams of ground beef with some tomatoes, and as you can see on the bottom, about 200 or 225 grams of sweet potato. And I've got 50 grams of strawberries and 50 grams of blueberries. And you won't see me eat that, like I said, because I'll be at work. And that's this vlog over for today. Till in the morning. See you later, guys.